Outrage this evening from vendors in Jamaica and Clarendon over the arrangements made for vending this Christmas season. They say the $5,000 being charged for permits is unreasonable. These spaces marked for Christmas vending are causing contention for vendors in Clarendon's capital, Jamaica.
Look over this. You look a piece of place so them sell for 5,000. That's right. And we can't go over there go sell. As they come collect market fee, police come. Move. You see if you don't run, then show you sitting going over parish council. How much thousand. We them away load sell your back, sir. And I buy you buy.
But even before the Christmas period arrangements, the vendors were already pressured with many occasions like these with the police confiscating goods.
Every day I just running. Now we are going to survive. And yet still you have to pay a market fee. You not sell nothing. You sell once in 1 week and you have to pay a market fee every day. We can't work out. We need better something.
Every second, police are run. We don't find a sidewalk. 113. Then this is where we take a load and throw in a van. Then pepper spray we tell that we can't take you no more.
Mayor of Jamaica, Winston Mirage, says there will be zero tolerance for those who fail to comply with the arrangements.
And vending cards will have to be presented at all times by the vendors. Unregistered vendors, and we have a lot of these people who try to come in during the evening hours and at various times, and they want to vend in our town. We will have a zero tolerance with the unregistered vendors. They will be charged a fine of $1,000 immediately, and failure to comply, we will seize their goods.
But the vendors say it's easier said than done.
Feet up on the road, me have to sell. We don't know what we sell. And the market load. Cook around the market.
So there is no space left in the market. So if everybody bungle up, if everybody bungle up, how we are going to get rid of Corona?
So as the crowds converge with the season building, the vendors have much to consider.
We not buying this year, so they don't sell with none. Over upon the road we are sell. And we are police at work. Them are get pay and we want pay too.